everyone, welcome to Beauty First and 10. If you're new here, hi, my name is Debbie. I'm excited to have you on my channel. And today we're going to be going through my Loft unboxing haul. So I do some Walmart unboxings and I'll put some of those up in the description box here above. But I also like to do some of the other stores and I do a lot of shopping at Loft. They're still very reasonably priced. So you'll find that all the items we talk about today are in the kind of high $30, low $40 kind of range. Nothing's over $50. It's still relatively reasonable to get, some nice clothes at a good price. So we'll go through what I got today and I'll have all these products linked in the description box down below. At the time of this video, all the sizes are still available and all these products are still available. I'm not going to give the price because the prices are changing constantly between the holiday season and even the post-holiday season. There'll be sales every day. And one of the things that I've learned at Loft is oftentimes you'll buy something at full price and then it does go on sale. So keep your receipt, keep your tags until you're sure that it's not going to go on sale, because I've had that happen quite a few times. So let's take a look here. Okay, let's start out. Oh, so excited to see this. So this is the metallic brocade short sleeve mini dress. And I got this in a size 6, and this is a neutral gold, and it comes in sizes 00. Like, seriously, who is 00? I mean, I hope if you're 00, you are actually a child that is wearing this, because otherwise that is just very upsetting, to size 18. So let's take a look. And Loft does tend to run a little bit on the big side, so just keep in mind, I'm usually a size 8, but in Loft, I'm usually an extra small in tops, small in pants, and size 6 in dresses. But oh wow, this is really cute. So this actually looks a little bit more white online, but this is, got some party readiness to it for the holiday season. So that is very cute. And I will, again, link all of these products down below, and I'll also put a note up in the description box below if these were a good fit for me, so you can kind of get a gauge on it as well. Okay, and the next one we've got here, it's my order form, is, okay. So this is the Lou and Greg Ski Resort sweatshirt, and I have this in the size small, and it comes in extra, extra small to XXL, and this is in the shade Whisper White. That shade comes up a lot on Loft, just FYI, and also on Ann Taylor, the parent brand, they love the shade Whisper White. So this said it ran a little bit big, but I did get the size small. But I actually think that's going to be a good fit. And again, I'll put in the description box above here if these were a good fit or not, but I'll just kind of show you the print here, if I can show that. So this is really cute. I like this. I've actually been to Glacier Lake, so this is also nice. It looks like I actually just bought it while I was on vacation there. And next, okay, this one is really cute. Okay, so this is the Ice Skate mock neck sweater, and I got this in size small, and this comes in extra, extra small to XXL, and this is, again, in the very popular shade of Whisper White. So let's take a look at this. Ooh, this one is really soft. Oh, this feels really good. I'm excited to put this one on. This is very cozy. So you can see it's got the little skates here. It does have the little trim up here, so it gives it a little bit of a Christmas feel as well, but you can certainly wear this well into the winter as well. This is really cute. I really like this. So that's exciting. So I've actually been checking out this one for a while. So this is Lou and Greg's Cozy Up cardigan, and it's got a hood. And I got this in the size extra small because it said it was running big online, but this comes in extra, extra small to 2XL, and this is in the shade Americana. So this, I just thought, oh yeah, this is great. Super fuzzy. This is super nice. Oh my goodness. This feels like it has some weight to it. So this is actually going to be great. I'll show you that material up there. Oh, that just looks so nice. It feels so nice and warm. And then again, you've got kind of the hood here. So these are all great pieces. And I'll put a little picture up there of kind of what my idea was for this. Because I also got, which came in the other package. So this should be the trousers. So online they showed that cardigan with a set of trousers and a sweatshirt. And I had a sweatshirt that already kind of looked like that. So I thought, well, if I get the trousers, then I'll have the whole set. You really can't go wrong when you just wear whatever the model's wearing. I know that's a little bit sheepish, but if the Loft thought that combination looked good, then who am I to disagree? All right, so these are the pants. And so these are wide leg trousers in light sand color. And these come in extra, extra small to 2XL. And I got this in a size small. So I'm interested to see how these pants work as far as a length for me, because I usually need to go higher in my size on my pants just to get the length I want. But this has got an elastic back. And then, but it has a flat front, so this will sit nicely and you won't have any kind of bulges in the center or anything like that. These pants look good and they go really well with this cardigan. I'm excited to see how this set looks. And again, there are so many pieces on Loft that are adorable, so I encourage you to check it out. I'm not sponsored by Loft or anything, I'm just passing that on. They're much more reasonably priced than a White House Black Market or even a regular Ann Taylor, but the pieces are still really good quality. The dress that I have on is also from Loft, and this is their faux leather mini dress in iced coffee, and I also have this in a size 6, so that's why I got the other dress in a size 6, because I figured they would probably be similar. And I bought a number of these little like kind of shift dresses from them, and they're just great. They really hold up really well from year to year, and they really just always look nice. You know, it's got a nice cut. You can see these buttons here are really well done. So definitely check out Loft if you're looking for some deals in the holiday season. Almost everything they have eventually goes on sale, so it's really good to check out. I will have all of these products linked in the description box down below, as I said, and I would love it if you would hit subscribe and become part of the Beauty First and 10 family. I do fashion and makeup, and I also do some unboxings, I do decor, I do DIYs, and then I also post on football videos because I love makeup and football, so there's football videos a couple times a week as well. And so I hope you like this video. Please comment if you have any of these pieces, or if you have a favorite Loft piece, then definitely let us know. And please share this with anybody that you know that would also enjoy this video. And my cat is very much wanting to be part of this video today. So you'll see that little ear coming up. He's decided that this is the time to cuddle with mom. So I hope everybody's having a great holiday season and happy shopping.